Hello student, I am back with question number 10 of exercise 11.1. So in this question it has been said that find the equation of the circle passing through the points 4, 1 and 6, 5 and whose center is on the line 4x plus y equal to 16. Okay. So, dear children, we know the equation of circle with center x, k and radius r. This is given by x minus h y square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. Okay. This is the standard equation of circle with center x, k and radius r. Okay, so we have to given the circle is passing through the point 4, 1. Okay, so circle since we have to given the circle is passing through the points 4, 1 and 6, 5. Okay. Since the circle is passing through the points 4, 1 and 6, 5, so we have to satisfy the equation of circle. So this means we have to substitute the value of x and y in this equation. Okay, so this equation becomes 4 minus h whole square plus 1 minus k whole square equal to r square. Okay, suppose this is equation 1, this is equation 2, and similarly substituting 6, 5 in equation 1, so this become and 6 minus h whole square plus 5 minus k whole square equal to r square. Say this is equation 3. Okay. Now from equation 2 and 3, from equation 2 and 3, 4 minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to 6 minus h whole square plus 5 minus k whole square, because here r square both are same common. So now simplify this expression, so this will be 4 4 16 square 4 plus h square minus 8h. Okay, we have to simplify this by using the identity a plus b whole square a minus b square, and similarly 1 minus k whole square, this is 1 plus k square minus 2k equal to, this is 36 plus h square minus 612 h plus 5 square plus k square minus 5 to the 10 k. Okay. Now we have to cancel out common term on both the sides. So here h square cancel out, k square cancel out. Okay, again simplifying. So we get this is 16 plus 1, 17. Okay, 17 minus 8h minus 2k equal to, on this side 36 plus this is I square is 25. Okay, 25 plus k square minus 10k. So 36 plus 25. So this will be 6, 5, 11, 5, 6, 61. Okay, 61 minus 12h minus 10k. Okay, 61 minus 12h minus 10k. Now 16 minus 12h minus 10k on right side, so this become 12. Okay, so now shifting 12h on this side, so this will be 4h and k 8 plus 8k. Okay, equal to 61 minus 17. So this is 44. Now taking h over here common, so this expression become h plus 2k equal to 44. Same, this is equation number 4. And we have to say also center lie on the line 4x plus y equal to 16. Okay, so since center x comma k lies on the line 4x plus y equal to 16. So this means we have to satisfy center this equation. So this implies 4h plus k equal to 16. Okay. Now here from this equation, say this is equation number 5. Okay, now simplifying equation 4 and 5. So we have to find this is not 44, this is 11. Simplify equation 4 and 5. Okay. Solving equation 4 and 5. So this is, we have to multiply cos k on equation 5. Equation 5 by 2. So this is h plus 2k equal to 11, and this is 8h plus 2k equal to 32. So this is minus 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 cancel out. This is minus 7h. Okay, minus 7h equal to minus 1 and 2. So this implies h equal to 7 3 21 3. So here the value of h is 3. So we have to find now the value of k after substituting the value of h in equation 4 or 5. So this is 3 plus 2k equal to 11 and 2k equal to 8. Okay, and k equal to 4. Okay, 8 4. So we have to find the center of the circle. Center of the circle h comma k equal to 3 comma 4. Center of the circle h comma k equal to 3 comma 4. Now substituting the value of h comma k in equation 2 or 3. So we have to find over here radius. Okay, so from equation 2, so this is 4 minus 3 whole square plus 1 minus 4 square equal to r square. So this is 1 square plus minus 3 square equal to r square, and the value of r square we will get 10. Okay, now substituting the value of h, k and radius r square in equation 1. So from equation 1 we have to substitute. This is h is 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square equal to radius r square is 10. Okay, so now simplify this. So this is x square plus y square minus 6x plus y square plus 16 minus 8y equal to 10. This implies x square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y. Here 3 3 x square plus this is 9 plus 16 is 25 plus 25 and 16 is on left side, so this will be minus 10. So this expression become now x square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y plus 15 equal to 0. Okay, x square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y plus 15 equal to 0. This is the required equation of circle passing through the point 4 comma 1 and 6 comma 5 and whose center is on the line 4x plus y equal to